In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add American Airlines flight to Google Calendar. Whether you want Google to pull flight details straight from your email or you prefer to add it yourself, I'll walk you through both options clearly so your trip is organized and easy to reference. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing into the Google account where you receive your travel emails. This keeps everything in one place and ensures any changes sync across your devices. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right of Calendar and open Settings. In Settings, scroll to the section labeled Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. This option lets Google scan your Gmail for messages like flight confirmations and add them to your calendar automatically. Make sure the toggle here is turned on. With this enabled, flight events generated from your booking emails will appear with details such as departure time, arrival time, and often terminal or gate information when available. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Also, remember that these events are visible only to you unless you share your calendar. If you prefer to add your American Airlines flight manually, or you don't have the confirmation in the same Gmail account, you can create an event yourself. Go back to your calendar view and navigate to the date of your flight. Click Create in the top left, then choose Event. This opens the event editor where you can add the essentials. Start by entering a clear title. A helpful format is something like American Airlines AA133, City A to City B, using your actual flight number and route. This makes it easy to find at a glance, especially if you have multiple trips. To keep all key information in one place, use the Add Description or a Google Drive attachment field. Paste useful details such as your confirmation code, booking reference, terminal and gate, if known, seat number, check-in time, baggage allowance, and any links to manage your booking. If you have a PDF or screenshot of your itinerary, attach it from Drive so it's available on your phone when you're at the airport. When you're done, click Save. From here, you're set. With Gmail-based events enabled, new flight confirmation emails will auto-create calendar entries for you. And with the manual method, you'll have a neatly labeled event that stays in sync across your devices. Double check that the event appears on the correct calendar and time zone, and you'll be ready for a smoother travel day.